In today's video, I will teach you how to remove a white background and make it transparent in Photopea. Let's get started. Start by opening your web browser and go to the Photopea website. Then go to File, then Open, and select the image with the white background that you want to remove. Then the image will open in the workspace. Now we're going to select the white background. Start by selecting the Magic Wand tool from the toolbar on the left side, or simply press W on your keyboard. The Magic Wand tool is ideal for selecting large, uniform areas of color, such as a white background. With the Magic Wand tool active, click anywhere on the white background of your image. This will select all connected white pixels. If the selection doesn't pick up all white areas, adjust the tolerance settings in the top menu bar. Try increasing the tolerance to around 30 to 50. After selecting the white background, zoom in to check for any areas that may have been missed, such as inside letters or other small gaps. You can add to the selection by holding the Shift key and clicking on the missed areas. An optional step is feathering the selection. To do this, go to Select, then Modify, then select Feather to slightly soften the edges of your selection. A value of around 1 to 2 pixels usually work well to avoid harsh edges when removing the background. In the Layers panel, double-click on the background layer to unlock it, turning it into a regular layer. Now press the Delete key on your keyboard to remove the selected white background, leaving a transparent area. You should now see a checkerboard pattern indicating transparency. Now go to Select, then Deselect, or simply press Ctrl D or Command D on Mac to remove the active selection. And once you're satisfied with the result, save your image in the format that supports transparency, such as PNG. To do this, simply go to File, then Export As, then select PNG, then adjust any export settings if necessary, then click Save. By following these steps, you can easily remove a white background and make it transparent in Photopea, giving your images a professional and polished look. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.